Halo semuanya, kembali lagi di channel Mama Gesa, tempatnya kita berbagi cerita dari seluruh dunia. Dari mancanegara ada, dari Indonesia juga ada. Kali ini masih dalam rangkaian cerita The Smurfs, The Attack of the Howling Bird, diterbitkan oleh WS Education. Pasti penasaran ya bagaimana ceritanya? Yuk langsung saja. Wait, tunggu dulu. Buat yang baru pertama kali gabung, tetap stay tune di sini. Jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe. Yang pastinya Mama Gesa akan terus bagikan cerita yang seru-seru setiap harinya. Well, let's go listen to the story. The Smurfs, The Attack of the Howling Bird. One afternoon, the Smurfs were repairing a bridge at the river. Only two Smurfs were not helping out. Lazy Smurf was napping in the shade. Wake up! Wake up! And Papa Smurf was in his laboratory. He had just invented a new fertilizer. Let me try it on this small plant, Papa Smurf said. Oh no, the plant's growing too fast. The plant kept growing and turned into a monster. Hefty Smurf came to the rescue. With an axe, he attacked the plant and brought it under control. Papa Smurf told Hefty Smurf and Lazy Smurf to get rid of the fertilizer by throwing it into the desert far, far away. But Lazy Smurf was too lazy. He just dropped the bottle of fertilizer into a ravine nearby. Nobody will know we didn't follow Papa Smurf's instructions. Oh no! The fertilizer dripped into a baby bird's mouth. That night, the Smurfs were awakened by a strange howling noise that came from the sky. Whose gigantic shadow is this? The next morning, the Smurfs discovered that their barn had been destroyed. How can a bird be so big? They are the footprints of an enormous bird, Papa Smurf gasped. What if the bird damaged our bridge as well? Everyone ran to the bridge. Thankfully, the bridge had not been destroyed. Just as everybody was having a sigh of relief, whoosh, crush, splash. A gigantic bird swooped down and grabbed the bridge with its sharp claws. The bridge tore apart. All the Smurfs fell into the river. Lazy Smurf and Hefty Smurf told Papa Smurf what they had done. I'm sorry, I should have followed your instructions. The bird was swooping down to attack again. The giant bird bombed the village with huge stones. All the Smurfs scattered. Help! Run for your lives! Papa Smurf led a small group of Smurfs to a stone tower nearby. The bird won't be able to attack us in this strong tower. The bird chased the Smurfs, but they squeezed through a small hole in the door just in time. A stork had made her nest at the top of the tower. Papa Smurf wrote a message and tied it to the stork. The stork flew to the Smurf village to alert the rest of the Smurfs to come to the tower. Join us at the stone towers. All the Smurfs worked together to build a giant crossbow. This crossbow will shoot stones at the bird. The bird tried to attack the stone tower again and again. The Smurfs shot the bird using the crossbow again and again. That night, Papa Smurf knocked out with some of the Smurfs. He went to his laboratory and brought back a secret weapon. This will help us win the battle against the gigantic bird. The next day, Papa Smurf fired the secret weapon at the bird. It was a rocket! Boom! A giant cloud of the feathers filled Dear, the giant bird fell to the ground. It had lost all his feathers. Quickly, the Smurfs tied the bird up. Now I will invent a magic potion to reverse the effects of the fertilizer. Papa Smurf gave the bird a magic potion to drink. It worked! You are back to your normal size now, Papa Smurf said. Squeak! The bird said. All the Smurfs giggled because the bird was tiny. Everybody, let's rebuild our village. There's no time to waste, Papa Smurf said. Squeak, squeak, the bird said. With everybody working hard together, the village was rebuilt quickly. The little bird's feathers grew back. It tried to boss the Smurfs around, but nobody paid attention to it. Feeling confused, the little bird flew back to the forest. Goodbye, little bird, the Smurfs cried out happily. And that's the end of the story today. Thank you for reading with Mama Gesa. Mama Gesa akan kembali dengan rangkaian cerita terakhir dari Smurf di episode berikutnya. So, tetap like, comment, subscribe, dan nantikan cerita berikutnya. Bye-bye!